Good morning, Paul here. It is February 4th, 2019. Let's see what's going on in the market today. New listings. Last couple of days we need to go through since I haven't been through since Friday. So let's get these numbers all correct here. Okay, today looks like a little single family home. That's got to be out of the area. I wonder where that is. 702 area. Boulder City. Okay. Little house over there. That's interesting. Fixer-upper bungalow. Oh, look at that little guy. Isn't that cool? A third of an acre. It's pretty neat. Old. Fixer-upper. And 150,000, built in 1942. Wow. Nice. At least it's on the public water and sewer. That's interesting. Okay. It's a lot of value, I guess. Okay, then we have this little townhome, 1,100 square feet for $210. Okay, single story. That's nice. $210. Even comes with a pair of shoes. Like it's just been refurbished. It's nice. 1989. Okay, then we go to 749 on Courtney Ridge. Nice 3-car garage. Pretty nice house. Whoops. Man. Got a little bit carried away there. Okay, Courtney. Okay, then this is Sundays. Condo 79.9, 624 square feet, built in 63. Pretty clean. Royal Crest. Twin in Paradise. By the strip. Looks like a nice one. Then Vegas Valley. $489.9. Right over there on the golf course. No pictures though. Right off the strip. Strip is right over here. No, strip is right over here, excuse me. Okay. No pictures. Saturday. Another one on Vegas Valley. Little condo. Stainless steel. No. It looks like it's been nicely refurbished. For $81,799, 671 square feet. Okay. Let's go to the next one. $595. Fairly nice. $600,000. That's what $600,000 will get you. Any pool? Oh, nope, just a spa. 1996. Where is it? Okay, Mariner, Harbor Island. That'd be in the lakes there. Yep, Desert Shores. Okay. We're up there. Alright. And let's see. Saturday, looks like we've got a one-bedroom condo for 73. Royal Crest. Not bad. And again, I think we just looked at a Royal Crest. Paradise and Twain, yeah. By the Strip. You can see there's a convention center monorail right there. Cool. Okay, 3. $7.3 million on McDonald Ranch. Whoa. Want to see what $7.3 million will buy you? It's quite a pool. Look at that nice outdoor living. I love that. Quite a house. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. We have it's dropping down. 339 homes under contract. Sold 214. How many did we sell in the last couple of days? Since the first was Friday. Only 103. So I wonder how many homes. Let's do one more little thing right here. It's just 2 single-family homes sold since the first of the year. 1 till the 4th. Let's see what we got here. 1,900. Okay. That's quite a few. And let's do price. From 17.9 out of the area to 3.3 million. Find out what 3.3 million can get you. Look at that view. That is just above everything. 3.3 million. View from most rooms. Look at that. Fantastico. I mean, it's just got a tremendous view. Of the city. So where is it? 606. Ranch. Okay. Just sitting there perched up on a little hill there. Interesting. Above this, it's elevated a little bit. Very good. All right. Well, that's it for today. I will talk to you on Wednesday.